So, magluluto po ako ngayon ng ribs. So, ito lang ilalagay ko, lemon and pepper. Lemon and pepper. Then garlic. Then let's put at the other side. Let's bake it for 45 minutes, 425 Fahrenheit. And we wait. Ngayon naman, ang gulay naman po, so nag-steam ako ng broccoli. Yan. Steam broccoli. Habang hinihintay ko yung niluluto na ribs, ayan, nag-steam naman ako ng broccoli. It's perfect combination for tonight's dinner. Ayan po, luto na yung aking ribs na niluluto. I think it's overcooked nga. So anyway, let's enjoy and let's have dinner. So this is now my dinner. It's ready. Let's eat, guys.